Downloading Anaconda the normal way could actually break your Python setup. In the next 60 seconds, I will show you the wrong way 90% of tutorials teach and the right way that saves you from reinstalling your Windows next week. So the first thing you do is to head over to Google and type Anaconda download. Okay, so once we search for this, the official website will come up like this. So what we do is we click on it, okay, and then it will open like this. So now once it brings you here, it will be asking you to create an account or get started. So if you click on get started, for example, you will need to create the account. If you don't create it, you'll be going here and there. So I've created an account before, so that is why it's signing me in, and there are various options you can use to go about getting creating an account. Either you use GitHub or your Gmail or your Microsoft Gmail account. All right, so I'm on Windows, so it brings me here directly because I already have an account, but there's something else I would want you to know before this place. So if we go to the Anaconda again, so here I'm going to go into Anaconda download, and I'm going to do something else so that it will take me to where it is very important. So here it will bring you here, right? So now you say download Anaconda. It's going to still bring me to this download shade. Okay, so this is where I want it to go. Now if I click on sign in, okay, if I click on sign in, for example, it will bring me to this place. All right, so if I click on sign in, it will bring me, so that is after creating an account and activating your account, it will bring you directly here. Okay, and once you are here, so you have to click on this distribution, click on the distribution, and once you click on distribution, it will bring you here again. So don't click on get started and don't click on sign in, just click on returning user. So once you click on returning user, it will bring you to here where you can start your downloading. So what do? Once you come here, select your machine, either Linux, Windows or Mac. Remember I'm on Windows 11, so whether you're on Windows 10 or Windows 11, this is appropriate for you. So I'll click on download, and the download process should start now. All right, so and then you can see that it's asking me to install Anaconda like this. So now what I need to do is to save it and let this download started, right? And once the download has finished, I'll go to my download folder, and then I can see it here. So what I'm going to do now is we are going to install. I'm going to click on this, so I'm going to open this line now, and let's start the installation process. So here I'll click on next, and then I'll agree to the terms and condition, and then I'll click on next. So ensure, so for here you can see that we are using, it's requiring 5.2 gig, and then I have over 63 point something gig left. So make sure you have 8 gig and RAM on your system. All right, so click on next, and then I'm going to check this, and then I check this. Okay, so cancel, register Anaconda. Yes, you should register Anaconda as my default, so like this. So this can lead to conflict with other applications. Instead, use command prompt and PowerShell. Add Anaconda. Yes, add it to my Python. Add Anaconda to your path environment variable. This is very crucial. All right, so we install. Installation complete. We now start opening Anaconda. All right, so now that the installation process has been completed, we'll click on next, and then we'll see this. So it's going to tell us to launch Anaconda Navigator. So I'll just allow it, and then I'll uncheck this welcome to Anaconda, and there we have it. So we have set it up, and then our navigation is now opening. So that gives us room to run any IDE from Anaconda. All right, and like I said, Anaconda comes with all the libraries and packages you need as a data science, data engineer, data analyst, all pre-installed. All right, so let's wait for it to load. All right, so our navigator has opened, and as you can see, you can launch and install every other IDE here. You can install PyCharm, you can install navigator tools and all of that, but then I want to launch it with Jupyter Notebook. All right, so you can see that there's Jupyter Lab and there's Jupyter Notebook, and you can also launch the Anaconda PowerShell. So what I just want to do is I'm going to launch the Anaconda with the Jupyter Notebook. All right, so also know that you can also launch your Visual Studio Code with the Anaconda navigation. All right, so that will be in my next video. If you have watched the video to this point, please kindly like, subscribe, and share this video. So I'll now click on launch now, and then I should be able to open a Jupyter Notebook right from Anaconda Navigator. So let's wait for it. So you can create a new folder. You can click on new, create a new folder, create a new file. So I just want to this is just a quick demo. So I'll just open a Python kernel. So by clicking on that, the new Python kernel will be open for me. Remember, I'm doing this right from Jupyter Notebook. So I'm not running Jupyter Notebook right from my terminal. I'm running it from Anaconda Navigator. So if I come here now and I say print, if I say print, and inside that print I pass in this is possible because of Anaconda, possible because of Anaconda like this, Anaconda like this. So and then I'll close it and then close the bracket like this. So and then I'll hit hold on to shift and hit enter, and then you can see that it's now printed for me. So this is how you can do, and then you can write your code as much as you want. So anything you want to do, you can really go ahead and do all that you want to do. All right, so you now have an environment that allow you to code and write your Python script as you want. Okay, so thank you for joining this video. I also have a video on how you can install and set up your Jupyter Notebook. Check the link below, and also don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this video. If you are interested in my Python for data science analysis, check the link below. I also did a video on how you can write Python and SQL if you are a beginner with an ebook and a video plus. It's all for free, so you can check the link in the video and in the video description, and then you'll get it. See you on the next one. Bye bye.